what are the questions based on 8051 microcontroller which can be solved. So here first question is indicate which mode and which timer are selected for each of the following. So here first condition is given, first statement is given, move T mod comma 01H. So here when you are saying move T mod, so here T mod register is being programmed. So T mod register contains two bits, one is T1 bit and second is T0 bit. So T0 bit is related to timer 0 and T1 bit is related to timer 1. So in whatever bit we are writing, suppose if I am writing here under this T1 bit, if I am setting it as 1, means I am going to use timer 1 in mode 1. If I am writing under this T0 as 2, then I am using timer 0 in mode 2. Like this is the meaning of the timer mode register bits T0 and T1. So here in first case, it is given move tmod comma hash 01h. 01h means I'll type here 01. So 0 is at the position t1 and t0 contains 1 bit, means here we are going to use timer 0 and the mode of timer which will be set will be 1. So timer 0 with mode 1. Then second thing is we are moving here 20H. So timer 2, T1 will contain 2 and T0 will contain 0. So here in this case, the timer, which timer will be used? Timer 1 will be used, and in which mode? The mode will be 2 mode. The third case contains what? 12H. So 12H means 1 is there in T1 and 2 is there at T0 position. So here I am using timer 1 as well as timer 0. So 0 comma 1 I'll write here, timer 0 and 1 both are used, and now here timer 0 will be used in mode 2 and timer 1 will be used in mode 1. So here for timer 0, mode selected will be 2 and timer 1 mode selected will be 1. So in this way we can solve the problem. Then second problem is find timer's clock frequency and its period for various 8051 based systems with the following crystal frequencies. So here some crystal frequencies are given, and for that crystal frequencies we want to calculate the timer's clock frequency. I just copied here. I need to find out timer's clock frequency and timer's period, clock period. We know that the timer period is nothing but 1 upon frequency, 1 upon f. But what is frequency? We need to calculate first. So f is equal to. Now here for 8051 microcontroller, when you are going to calculate the frequency is provided, external frequency is provided on the two pins of 8051 microcontroller, that is XTAL1 and XTAL2. So from these two pins the frequency will be taken in and it will be supported, that frequency will be given to internal crystal oscillator of the 8051 microcontroller. Now for this internal crystal oscillator, whatever frequency is provided, that will be 1 upon 12. We will take 1 upon 12 of that frequency. So here what I am writing, 1 upon 12, we have already studied this. So 1 upon 12 into the frequency provided by the XTAL pins. So it is 1 upon 12 into 12. So that is nothing but 1 megahertz This is nothing but timer's clock frequency. Now we want to find out timer's clock period. So clock period is nothing but 1 upon the frequency of microcontroller, that is 1 upon 1 megahertz, is nothing but 1 upon 1 is 1 only, but 1 upon megahertz, that will become what? 1 microsecond. Okay. Similarly, we will go for second example. So for second example, this is for case A. Now we take second case. For this, I just copy this. Now, for 16 megahertz case, timer's clock frequency is f is equal to 1 upon 12. The input frequency is 16 megahertz. 1 upon 16 megahertz is nothing but 1.33. So here this is the timer's clock frequency, and timer's period is equal to 1 upon 1.33 megahertz is equal to, it is nothing but 0.75 microsecond. Same way, third problem is 11.0592 megahertz. For this, the timer's clock frequency is f is equal to 1 upon 12 into, here I need to copy this, 11.590592. So 1 upon 11.0592 is 0.0904 megahertz. Here the same thing, 1 upon 0.0904 into, this will be megahertz. So it will go up. So 1 upon 0.0904 is 11.061. Zero 6 1. So this is nothing but, yes, it comes to be 1.085. 1.085. So this is nothing but microsecond. So in this way you are able to find out the timer's clock frequency and timer's clock period for 8051 microcontroller. We'll stop here.